Welcome back. To address Instagram notification issues, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve notification problems. 1. Enable push notifications on your phone. Ensure that push notifications are enabled for the Instagram app in your phone's settings. This allows Instagram to send notifications to your device. 2. Check if you've paused notifications on Instagram. Verify in the Instagram app settings if notifications have been paused or disabled. Re-enable notifications if necessary to start receiving them again. 3. Restart your phone. Restart your phone to refresh the device's system, which can sometimes help in resolving notification-related issues. 4. Clear the Instagram app cache. Clear the cache of the Instagram app on your device. Removing cached data can improve app performance and potentially fix notification problems. 5. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. Poor connectivity can impact the delivery of notifications from Instagram. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Instagram notification issues. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you receive notifications from Instagram as expected.